Today, we're going to draw Guff, the adorable, fluffy character from Fortnite. Grab your drawing supplies and let's get started. Let's start with the head. Guff has a very distinctive, fluffy head. Then define the head's shape by adding some soft, curved lines. Draw two round circles for eyes in the middle of the head. Inside each eye, add a smaller circle for the pupils. Add a smiling mouth just below the eyes to give Guff a happy expression. Draw two ears on top of the head. Now draw the body of Guff. Next, let's sketch Guff's arms and legs. Draw two curved lines extending from the sides of the body for the arms. Now draw hands one by one. Now draw legs. Draw two shorter, slightly curved lines extending from the bottom of the oval. Guff has a very rounded and fluffy appearance, so make sure to keep the lines soft and curved. Guff's hands and feet are very simple and cartoony, so don't worry about adding too much detail. Guff has a very fluffy and textured body. To show this, add some curved lines all over the body to represent the fluffy texture. Now it's time to highlight our drawing with marker. Now let's refine our drawing. Carefully erase any unnecessary guidelines or overlapping lines. It's time to bring Guff to life with some color. Use shades of pink, purple, and yellow to color Guff's body and head. And there you have it, Guff from Fortnite, drawn by you. You've done a fantastic job bringing this adorable character to life. Remember, every drawing you make helps you improve your skills. Keep practicing, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun. Thanks for joining us and happy drawing!